lookup relationship. So lookup relationship, it helps you implement one-to-many relationship in Salesforce. It lets you link one object to another object, and it's a parent-child relationship. So let's see how we can create it in Salesforce. So we'll select lookup and click on next. Then we'll select, so we are creating the lookup field on our student object. So then we would select which particular object it is related to. So let's say it is related to the account object, and we'll click next. Then it would ask us to create a field label. Let's keep it as account. Field name, this is the API name, we'll keep it as account as well. Let's call the relationship name as student, and we can either make it required or leave it blank. Let's keep the other values as default. What you can also do is you can also set up a lookup filter, so wherein you can say, you can set up a criteria where account account name or account source is something, only those values. So where account source is web, only those accounts should be visible. So you can set up a lookup criteria as well based on this, but we are not doing that. So let's clear filter criteria for the time being and click next, and let's keep the rest of the values as default like always, and click save. So this creates the lookup field on our student object. So let's see how it looks like. So let's create a new record here. Let's give it a name. So let's say call it student 5. We'll make it active, and here we can link it to one of the accounts. So let's link it to the test account which we already have in the database, and click save. Right, so our student 5 is created, the roll number is generated, and we have the linking to the account. Now if we go to this particular account, let's see, and you have this related section available. Let's scroll down, so you can see students. So students are coming up here. So that basically means a student can be linked to one account, but an account can have multiple students. So this is a way of implementing one-to-many relationship in Salesforce. Please share your questions, thoughts, and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.